We'll walk around. This is the beautiful 1997 Mercedes E420 with the original 57,000 miles. So it's in the great shape, no any leaks, almost no dents. Of course it has some little scratches and rock chips, like over here. You can see that, this little red area. We tried to buff it a little bit. Some of them goes out, some of them no. This only one wheel has this little car brush. Car has pretty new Michelins on it. Car never been in the incidents, but has one dent on the rear quarter panel. So the tires is almost new. The wheels are in amazing condition. Of course it has some little scratches and rock chips, but it's just a minimum. No dents, as you can see. And the rear bumper a little bit beat up over here, just a little bit, but overall nothing serious, I would say. It has some like touch-ups over here, but no major damage. Car is straight, no dents, nothing like that, and pretty good loaded. So we have both sound, we have communication system from the Mercedes-Benz. Both sides of the front seat has memory package. No sagging rooftop. Everything works. Wheel is in amazing condition. Here is the miles. You can see that. Rest of it just in amazing shape. Even the driver's seats, like nobody sit here before. No cracks on the wood trim. Everything is good. No cracks on the dash. Here is the communication system from Mercedes-Benz. We have door panels in the great shape. Everything is clean. Over here is everything is clean. Everything are clean as well. Seats almost like new. We didn't detail it. Armrest in the great shape. And passengers' seats are amazing. So no cracks on the wood. Here is the communication system from Mercedes-Benz. It's pretty good option and pretty expensive, almost $1,500. The rear seat are great, no sagging. So steering wheel are nice. Here's the miles. No cracks on the dash. Everything good. Everything great. Nice and clean. Nice and clean. These door handles have this little damage over here. Show it right here. Everything is clean. Look at these seats. It's pretty soon to become a classic. So we got a heated seats, 2 levels. Everything works. AC works great. We just replaced, and this handle have a little dot over here. And this is it about the interior. Car has a charging setup because it was owned by the 2 old persons who was living in Arizona. That's why car spent all its life in Arizona actually. That's why car has no rust on it, no bubbling, nothing. So we just replaced the brief feeding hoses, valve cover gaskets, just replaced the transmission oil and filter, transmission oil pan gasket, and electric plug on it. So actually the oil was changed about 1,000 miles ago. All original windows and glass on the car, so it wasn't perfectly detailed, but anyway. So let me check all functionality of it. So I want to show you everything because everything actually works fine on it. So we just turn in the key. Let me start it up for you. All right, no lights. Car works smooth. Let me turn off the radio. AC works fine. So what about the seats? Let's try it. So moving forward, moving back. The backrest works fine. Headrest goes up and down. So everything clean over here as well. So the steering wheel goes back, up, and inside and back. Everything works over here. So what else? So let's do the windows and sunroof. So let's do the windows. First of all, the driver's window. Going down and up. Passenger window. Going down and up. Rear window. Going down and up. All right. Left window. Going down and up. All right, the sunroof. Let me show you. Everything works great. Going back. And another position of it. All right, the trunk lid openings. So we got a full set of the manual books on the car. All rubbers are great. You got a full-size spare tire. No rust underneath. Everything pretty good shape. Original we got a CD changer over here. Original Mercedes-Benz, and spare like cassettes for it. No any damages, everything straight and original. Alright. Alright, let me open the hood for you so you can see. I just washed the engine a little bit, just not sprayed, nothing, to show you what we have no leaks on it, because all what was leaking we just replaced. Engine works nice and smooth, everything original. Everything was serviced by the Mercedes-Benz only. We got all receipts on it. So nobody turned the fenders and everything. Everything good over here. So if you wanna connect me somehow, 858-214-8882. Car is for sale. We can discuss the price of it, but it's amazing. I love this color. It's changing the kind of turnings blue and then purple a little bit. So we have little stuff like that. And over here too. It's probably it. It doesn't have a lot on it. It's pretty good condition. Alright, no dents. It had some dents a little bit because old person was driving it, but we fixed everything. Actually, we spent a lot of money on it to get it ready for the new owner. But it's worth it because it's not regular E420, it's V8 on it, so it's smooth power. Car is very fast, and actually it's not regular car, it's final step before AMG models. That's why I always like to be a little bit behind of very expensive service records, and this car kind of offering you reasonable amount of power and pretty good torque. That's why I prefer always like those years doesn't have 500 models like E500 or E550. This was a top of the line before the AMG. So actually this is the good amount of power. You feel very good on the road, like you not in a regular car. Oh, I found one. We have little one over here. I don't know, can you see it? But it's hard to see. It's just like a drop. That's why I don't want to mention it even, but we have it. So you know. Actually, alright guys, thank you very much. Car is up for sale. You can buy it. It's time to invest in European classic. Of course, I forget to mention it. Another option. This is washers over here. Everything works great, and it's xenon headlights. It's pretty rare because all those cars on the US market just, I don't know why they're skipping this option, because it looks great and lights are great. So I don't know, I would better have it. Alright, thank you for watching, guys.